Hi, I'm Dr. Madhuri and I'm from Voluer Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. So today we are going to talk about liquid rhinoplasty. Non-surgical rhinoplasty, also known as non-surgical nose job or a liquid rhinoplasty, this is a procedure that uses the injectable dermal fillers to alter the shape of the nose without the need for the surgery. Who is the good candidate for non-surgical rhinoplasty? It may be good option for people who want to make subtle improvements to the appearance of the nose without any major changes. It may be suitable for correcting minor imperfections, some minor asymmetries, adding some little volume to certain areas of the nose, smoothing the bumps and the depression. It is used to lift the tip of the nose, smooth out the appearance of the hump on the bridge of the nose, and it can also straighten a crooked nose. However, in general, non-surgical rhinoplasty is more suitable for people with realistic expectations about what the procedure can achieve. It is not a good option for people looking for significant changes to the shape and structure of their nose, as these changes are best achieved through surgical only. To determine if the non-surgical rhinoplasty is a good option, it is important to consult the qualified surgeon who can assess your needs and goals and advise you the best treatment options available. So how is this liquid rhinoplasty works? The procedure is usually done under local anesthesia to numb the treated area. The doctor will inject the filler into the areas of the nose to achieve the desired shape. This specific liquid rhinoplasty is relatively very quick procedure and it can be performed on an outpatient department based, and the results are quite immediate. So liquid rhinoplasty is generally considered to be very safe with low risk. However, there are some potential side effects to it. This is very important that you discuss all this even before the procedure starts. Of course, it is very important for us to understand that this is not a permanent procedure. It must be repeated periodically to maintain the desired results. So how long does this liquid rhinoplasty take? The non-surgical rhinoplasty is quick procedure that can be performed in as little as 15 to 30 minutes depending on the extent of the treatment and the patient's specific goals and expectations. The procedure is performed in the doctor's office and most people can return back to their normal activities immediately after the procedure. So is non-surgical rhinoplasty a permanent thing? The results of this liquid rhinoplasty are not permanent. It is a temporary treatment. This uses the dermal fillers to alter the shape of the nose. The effects of the fillers will eventually wear off and the nose will return to its original shape. This time period, the results of this liquid rhinoplasty will vary depending on the type of filler that we have used to an individual and also the individual metabolism rate. The general result of this liquid rhinoplasty can last anywhere from several months to over a year. To maintain these results, the patient must repeat the procedure periodically. It's important to note that this procedure is generally less effective at achieving the significant changes in the shape and the structure of the nose than that of the surgical rhinoplasty. It may be suitable for making subtle improvements, maintaining results achieved through surgeries, but it's not a good option for more extensive changes. So what are the risks and side effects of this procedure? Generally, we encounter some swelling after the procedure, and this can be in the treated area, and this can last up to several hours or several days. Bruising is another one where we can expect after the procedure. However, this is going to resolve as quickly as the swelling goes. And infection, there is a small risk that is associated with this procedure that involves injecting a foreign substance into the body, so there is a chance of infection. However, the antibiotic coverage will help it, and some people are allergic to these materials that we used. Not all of them are, and it's a very rare condition. So these are the potential side effects that we can encounter. How much does the non-surgical rhinoplasty cost? The cost of this procedure varies and it depends upon several factors. So these includes the type of the filler used, the complexity of the procedure, the doctor's experience and the reputation, and the place. In generally, the non-surgical rhinoplasty is less expensive compared to that of surgical one. However, there is a rough estimate. The actual cost of this procedure may be a little higher or lower depending on the specific factors that I mentioned before. So it ranges from around 25,000 to 1.5 lakhs based on the various factors mentioned.